Our final part before we work the border next week. So we're going to finish filling in these corners of our blanket. So I'll just go through the rows here with you, and then I'll show you the squares as we work each row. Row 23, we'll work a block 8, 3, 2, 2 ones, 2, 3, and 8. So we started with a block 8, color D, block 3, starting with color B, then switching to A on the return pass, and so on, a color A, which is block 2, block 1, which started with color G, switching to A, both times for the block 1, and then this side is a reverse. So 1, 2, 3. This 3 started with color A and changed to B, and then block 8, color D. Row 24, block 8, 3, 2, 1. Then we'll reverse it, 2, 3, and 8. So a color block 8, which is color D, block 3, starting with color A, switching to B, and a block 2, which is color A. Block 1, starting with A, switching to G, and then reverse. Block 2, color A, block 3, starting with A, switching to B, and ending with a color block 8, which is D. Row 25, a block 8, 3, 2, and then reverse it, 2, 3, and 8. One square color 8, which is color D. One block 3, starting with color B, switching to A. Block 2 twice, which is color A. Another block 3, starting with A, switching to B, ending this row with a block 8, which is color D. Row 26, block 8, 3, 2, 3, and 8. One block 8, which is color D. A block 3, which starts with A, switches to B. Color block 2, which is color A. Block 3, starting with A, switching to B, and ending the row with a block 8, color D. Block 27 through 30 are short rows to finish off the peak in the corner. And this time with no more color 8, we'll be starting with a block 4, 2 3s, and a 4. Block 4, which is color B, a block 3, starting with B, switching to A. Block 3, this time starting with A, switching to B, and ending the row with a block 4, color B. Row 28, a block 4, a 3, and a 4. Block 4, color B, block 3, starting with A, changing to B, ending the row with block 4, color B. Row 29, 2 block 4, and ending row 30, 1 block of color 4. So the last two rows, 29 and 30, all are using a block 4, which is color B. So you want to be sure to repeat all of this corner to finish each of the corners, the 4 corners, and I will meet you back here next week for our final part, the border.